Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will guide you through the step-by-step process of logging in to TD Ameritrade using the fast sign-in feature. This feature is designed to make your trading experience more efficient and streamlined. Let's get started. Step 1. Go to the TD Ameritrade website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for TD Ameritrade, www.tdameritrade.com. Press enter to navigate to the site. Step 2. Locate the login area. Once on the home page, look for the Login button. This is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on it to proceed. Step 3. Choose the Fast Sign-In option. After clicking the Login button, you will see various login options. Select the Fast Sign-In option. This allows you to log in quickly without entering your full credentials each time. Step 4. Enter your user ID. In the Fast Sign-In login prompt, enter your TD Ameritrade user ID. Ensure that you input the correct ID associated with your account. Step 5. Use your PIN for verification. Next, you will need to enter your PIN. The Fast Sign-In feature uses this PIN for a quick and secure login. Make sure to enter it accurately. Step 6. Click on the Login button. After entering your user ID and PIN, click on the Login button to access your account. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your TD Ameritrade dashboard. Step 7. Explore your dashboard. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Here you can access various trading tools, your portfolio, and market research resources. Step 8. Log out safely. When you're finished browsing, remember to log out of your account, especially if you're using a public or shared computer. Find the Log Out option, which is also usually located in the upper right corner. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more tips and tutorials on trading and investing. Happy trading!